Hello everyone, welcome to Heather's Holiday Kitchen. I'm registered dietitian Heather Klug from the Karen Yance Women's Cardiac Awareness Center. So the holidays are coming soon, so I thought I'd show you how to make a really delicious holiday dish. If you can make mashed potatoes, you can make this dish. The dish we're going to make today is called orange whipped sweet potatoes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to peel sweet potatoes and then cut them into about 1-inch size pieces. Try to make them all about the same so they cook evenly. Next thing you're going to do is put your cut sweet potatoes in a pot, sort of like what I have over here. So I have the sweet potatoes boiling on the stove. You're going to set them in there. You're going to cover them maybe just a little bit above with water. And then you're going to bring that to a boil and have them cook for about 15-20 minutes or until they become soft. So a real easy way to check and make sure they're done, you're just going to take a fork and you're going to poke them. So you can kind of pull some off to the side a little bit. As you can see, these are nice and ready to go. They poke really easily. Next up, you're just going to take them off the heat and you're going to drain them in a colander and put them back in the pot. All right, next step, now we have our cooked sweet potatoes. You can see here in the pot, look how pretty and bright orange they are. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, and this is gonna make them taste super delicious. So the first thing we're gonna add is either 4 tablespoons of butter, or you can use a plant-based margarine. Today I'm using what's called Earth Balance Vegan Buttery Sticks. All right, so let's add these into the pot. And then next we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of orange juice concentrate. So we'll just put that right in there. And then we're also gonna add a little bit of brown sugar, about 1/4 cup. Now if you have diabetes, you can add less than that if you want. And then last step is to add different spices. So today I have some ground ginger in here, also some ground nutmeg. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. That's not in the original recipe, so if you want, you can add that in there. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, okay? So probably like a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of it. And that's an optional ingredient as well. So next step, we're just gonna mash everything together. So you can use a potato masher to do this like I'm using. Or if you want them really nice and creamy, you can use an electric beater, or if you have like a nice KitchenAid stand mixer, something along those lines. All right, so while I'm mashing this up, and this is super easy too, although you get a little nice arm workout in here, I'm just gonna go through why we wanna be eating sweet potatoes. So sweet potatoes are a nutrition powerhouse, you guys. They are super high in vitamin A. They're also a great source of vitamin C. Now these two nutrients together, vitamin A, vitamin C, they're considered antioxidants. So they are really great at helping kind of maintain a healthy immune system. Really good this time of year with cold and flu season going around. Sweet potatoes also have a lot of potassium in them, and potassium helps in keeping blood pressure down. So great to include on a regular basis. Sweet potatoes also are a really good source of fiber, and they have a little bit of soluble fiber. And if you have type 2 diabetes, make sure you're eating sweet potatoes. You still have to watch the portion size, but the starch that's in here is actually different from regular white potatoes. It actually breaks down a little more slowly in your bloodstream. But I would say still try to stick to like that 1/2 cup, maybe up to like 2/3, 3/4 cup serving size when you do have it. All right, I think this is all done and mashed. That didn't take too long. Let me just set that down so you guys can see what that looks like. And I am just going to put this into a nice little serving dish. So if you're gonna make this for Thanksgiving or Christmas this year, put it in something nice and pretty. You could even sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top. So see how quick and easy that was? Sweet potatoes are really easy to make. Again, if you can make regular potatoes, you can make sweet potatoes. Other ways I really like to make sweet potatoes, I like to just keep the peel on them or the skin, and I like to bake them or microwave them just for a baked sweet potato. They're also really great roasted. So you can cut them into chunks with the peel on, and then drizzle a little olive oil and roast them in the oven. Okay, doesn't that look great, everybody? We'll sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on here just to kind of jazz it up a little bit. Doesn't this look great, everyone? So if you like this recipe, please be sure to subscribe below to the Karen Yance YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our heart healthy content. Thanks for watching today. Bye.